Hey, welcome to the show. Check this out. This is the M9 wireless lavalier mic system from a company called FIFINE, and here it is right here in this little box. This is a charging box. It has a USB-C cable right there, and it also lets you know the level if it needs charging or not. Right now it's at full charge. Let's go ahead and open that up. You're going to see you have a receiver and two wireless mics, and before I take that out, they do supply you with a bigger carrying case, very kind of heavy duty, and they'll give you some wind screens right here and a variety of cables to hook this up. All right, I'm going to show you how to set this up. It's easy cheesy lemon squeezy. All you have to do is open this up, and like I said, they are already synced, ready to go, rock and roll. Go ahead and take the transmitter out, and like I said, it comes with two microphones right here. On the transmitter, I don't know if you can see that, but it has an input jack right there. And here is one of the cables. So all you have to do is click that in, boom, ready to go. And on this end, it has a USB-C. I'm going to connect that to my Galaxy S25 phone right there, what I'm recording with. And then you're going to take this wireless mic right here, and you're going to attach it maybe to clothing or something like that. And let's go ahead and hook that up so you can hear what this sounds like. All right, test 1, 2, 3. I have the wireless mic system hooked up. That is the M9 wireless lavalier mic system. Also, I didn't know if I told you this before, but it comes with two little wind screens like that. And here are the other cables. I'm just kind of doing a little chit-chatting here. And then here is the other wireless mic. You can have them both recording at the same time, or you can just use one. Right now it's just the one using, yeah, and the dead cats or the windscreen goes right here. It's all hooked up, and yeah, they're so easy to connect, to use. I like it. Yeah, what do you think about that? I go way over here. And if you wanted to, you could always, take it out and you could talk like this, do an interview, maybe have this with the other person there. And yeah, I'm going to go way over here. Hey, can you still hear me? I'm way over on the other side of the studio. I love the fact that you can open this up. Boom, they're all synced. You don't have to fiddle around with anything. And this box right here, like I said, you can charge it up right here in the back. It fits nice in this little go-to carrying box. And this is a heavy-duty one, so if you got that in your bag, it's kind of, yeah, has some protection in there. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show. We'll talk to you later, and have a good day. Adios, goodbye.